Hey everyone! Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to edit PDFs like a pro using Adobe Acrobat in 2025. If you're a student, professional, or just someone who deals with documents regularly, this tutorial will save you time and frustration. PDFs can be tricky, but Adobe Acrobat makes editing them straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have Adobe Acrobat installed. If not, head to the Adobe website, download it for free or purchase the full version, and install it on your computer. Once that's done, launch the application. Step 1. Open your PDF file. Click on File. In the top menu, select Open, and navigate to the document you want to edit. Adobe Acrobat supports a wide range of PDF formats, so it should load quickly. Next, locate the editing tools. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel. Click on Edit PDF to enter editing mode. This activates features for text, images, and more. Now for the fun part, editing content. Simply click on any text in the document, and you can type directly to make changes. To add or replace images, use the toolbar at the top, select Add Image, and choose your file from your computer. If you need to rearrange pages, go to the Organize Pages tool, where you can add, delete, or reorder them with ease. Don't forget to handle any formatting issues. Adobe Acrobat lets you adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to keep your document looking professional. Pro tip: work on a copy of your original file to avoid accidental overwrites. Finally, save your work. Go back to File, choose Save As, and select a new file name or location. This ensures your changes are preserved without altering the original. And there you have it. Editing PDFs in Adobe Acrobat is simple and powerful. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.